GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
The Chennai Mobiles வழங்கும் Vivo V40 series. Buy now.
Jensen and Nicholson Paints. Whenever you see color, think of us.
गुस्से में भी जाना, प्यार से भी जाना, और अगर मुझे नहीं चाहिए आए जाना। So I think that's the most common one.
Why?
मैं दूँ कि नहीं दूँ मैं?
I don't know.
I can't say
they can beep it.
Short form.
Short form, BC.
Yeah. Yes.
His favorite go-to dance move.
Well, that's the only dance move. It's not very difficult.
दिखा बहुत चालू है
पता है इसका ये ऑर्डर क्या होता है? Fried rice with chicken कोल्हापुरी, chicken masala, chicken
No, but
masala.
no. You should try chicken
See.
chili with roti. We are already running out of places to hide the bodies. Lethal fights. हम लोग जी पे ऐसा यूज, गूगल पे ऐसा यूज करते हैं, गूगल ही पैसा भर रहे हो.
Same.
I'm like क्या कर रहे हो? Why are you paying this? नहीं.
Her go to dance move.
That's why. मैं जनरेटर की आवाज पे भी डांस करती हूँ.
So it's a game called He Said, She Said, which is basically how well do you know each other.
Okay.
Okay. And so we've got Divya and Apu, and so I have to play this game. There'll be questions about both of you,
Sure.
which you have to answer for each other.
Okay.
The other one has to say whether it's right or wrong.
Okay.
If you're right about him, then you get a point. Okay. So the first question about her that you have to answer. Okay. One word that Divya uses the most.
It's national television, so I can't.
What does the word start
No.
with?
One word that she uses the most. Right now that we're married, I think the most common word which I hear from us is Jana, what she keeps calling me all the time.
Jana. Yes.
Is it right?
Yeah, because गुस्से में भी जाना, प्यार से भी जाना, और अगर मुझे नहीं चाहिए आए जाना. So I think that's the most common one.
One, zero, मतलब one.
Yes.
You do get a point. Your question. His favorite gali.
His favorite गाली.
I'm not biased towards any of those swears. Anything is a favorite, yeah. But you say, let's see.
Favorite.
Ah.
तू देर तो बोलना ऐसा हो गया.
मैं दूँ कि नहीं दूँ मैं?
I don't know.
I can't say
they can beep
that.
it.
Short form.
Short form, BC.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is it?
Yeah.
One
yeah,
all.
Yeah.
Her go-to dance move.
Oh shit! I wish I would have gotten this question.
Her go to dance move.
That's why I thought I would have gotten this question.
You can dance on anything, man.
मैं जनरेटर की आवाज पे भी डांस करती
हाँ, but dance move.
हूँ. Move.
Best. मतलब जो एकदम first.
How do you describe a dance move?
You have to just do it.
Song. Oh, you mad or what? Sake of humanity on national television. Me dancing.
You have to do that dance move.
He's lost the point.
No, I can't say. I really can't say. I can't say. Which
He's
is your
lost
favorite?
the point.
Which is
Show
your
me.
favorite dance move?
Show me what's your favorite dance move. You're supposed to show what is your favorite.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna dance here now.
No, what is your favorite dance move?
It's always a tumka.
So you could have
Oh.
done.
It's always a tumka.
Now you're losing.
Yes.
His favorite go-to dance move.
Well, that's the only dance move. It's not very difficult.
I have videos of him in different.
I dance.
And he'll
with
have a
him.
full smile.
Eyes are closed and I'm dancing.
This is right.
Yes, absolutely.
2-1. Okay. The last time she took money from you. Do you remember?
I made him pay to someone that I didn't want to pay. मतलब
No, but
हमारे
last
बीच
time
में
I
से
took-
money में ये नहीं होता
I
है.
think the last time was that other day when you took some change from me, which was like about 10 days ago or something.
नहीं, not that. So हमारा एक गाड़ी धोने वाला है, मैं उसको पसंद नहीं करती, तो वो पैसे मांग रहा था. मतलब मुझसे मत लो, अपने हिसाब से ही लो जाके पैसे. तो yeah, I make him do all of
Not
those things.
literally money. I don't remember
Literally
also.
money. So we keep our money at one place.
So, but do we give her the point or no?
Yes.
हाँ.
Okay. No, give him the point
Yes.
actually. 2-all
Yeah.
now. Okay.
Yeah.
The last
Which will decide.
lie he told you.
The last lie he told me.
Oh, I'm good at it. She would never know it was a lie. I'm just kidding. I'll lie you.
क्या बोला तुमने?
I don't know. जो तुमने पकड़ा.
हाँ.
No, Nothing. Nothing at all, yaar. He doesn't lie to me. Hopefully.
What was the last lie you said?
Batao?
As long as she doesn't get the point, then I'm going to say.
Yeah, of course.
The lie was like, in the coming home after work, I was like, I'm coming alone. I have a few friends over. So a surprise, like someone, you know, I'm just alone. You're like 10 people along with me.
Irritating lie that I ever face is because at times he'll tell me, yeah, I think I'll just get one of my friend home. We're just gonna have sit, talk, have a drink and bounce. I said, yeah, get that. And then
He
I'm also sitting.
lands up with 10.
नहीं, lands up with 10 नहीं होता है कभी भी. Then one by one, people are coming in.
Then I start missing my friend. अरे इसको भी बुला तेरा. अरे इसको भी बुला तेरा.
Then he'll start missing everybody. And then I will see not his friends coming. I'll see my friends coming. Like I'll not be surprised. Nayan, one of our parties, he'll have you already called you, and he'll like coming surprising me, and I have no idea that Nayan is coming today.
2-all, but
Huh.
you don't get
Yeah,
this
I did not
point.
get this point. Yeah.
2-all. Okay, one habit that she would like to change in you. One habit of yours that she would say कि ये बदलना चाहिए.
I think spending.
Right? 3.
Online shopping mostly, not spending. Online shopping.
So all the
Furious.
boxes are coming every day.
Furious.
As we say, you know, we say कि हम लोग जी पे ऐसा यूज गूगल पे ऐसा यूज करते हैं गूगल ही पैसा भर रहे हो.
Same.
I'm like, क्या कर रहे हो? Why are you paying this? नहीं.
Same. One
Right.
thing he would like to change about you.
बोलते ही आ रहा है शादी से पहले भी, अभी भी गुस्सा कम कर दे. इतना कम हो गया फिर भी कहते हैं गुस्सा कम कर दे.
Do you agree?
100%.
3-all. Now the next segment is called Would You Rather. So there are 4 questions. I'll give you 2 options for everything. You have to pick an option that the other person would pick for themselves, and then we'll match. Okay. So 3-all हो गया है. Would he rather travel without a plan or make an itinerary, like a plan?
Make an itinerary like there's nobody tomorrow. Like there's nothing more important.
3. Would she rather drink chai or coffee?
Chai.
Oh,
4-all.
everybody.
ये तो मुझे भी पता था.
हाँ.
Okay. Would he rather go to a house party or go out clubbing?
First go to clubbing, then go to a house party. Definitely. Like they both have to go together.
If I have to pick one of them, house party.
Yeah.
First go to a.
Like he likes to do both, but it somehow house parties are more fun for
Okay,
both of
5.
us. Yeah.
5-4. Would she sleep late or get up early?
Of course, sleep late.
There's one more habit he wants to change.
Sleeps early.
I sleep at 4 so early.
5-all.
Yeah.
Okay, would he rather order Indian or Chinese food?
Indian with Chinese. So he will order.
You are very
chicken-
chalu. You're selecting everything.
नहीं चालू नहीं सच्ची में बता रही
Indian
हूँ, इसका
या Chinese?
Who's
combination
the
पता है
reality
क्या?
queen?
दिखा बहुत चालू है
पता है
सच
इसका
में.
ये ऑर्डर क्या होता है? फ्राइड राइस with chicken kolhapuri, chicken masala, chicken
No, but
masala.
no. You should try chicken
See.
chili with roti.
Chicken chili with
Chicken
roti
yeah,
is
with-
fine, but
नहीं,
fried
fried
rice
rice with
with
Indian chicken combo.
okay, that is a little weird although, but ठीक है. 6-5. Would she? This I know, but still, would she stay quiet or stage a fight when someone says something terrible?
We are already running out of places to hide the bodies. Lethal fights.
6-all. Last one. Would he have more money or have more time?
He more time.
More time? 7. You have to get this correct. Would she get a big gift or a handwritten note?
Handwritten note.
वाह इसमें तो 7 के मतलब दोनों के 7 पॉइंट्स है.
7 फेरे कंप्लीट हो गए.
7 फेरे हाँ. But like I say that you guys are extremely balanced as a
Right.
couple, and
That's true.
he's brought that peace to your life, and I think you've brought that. He was already fun. I've not met him before, but I'm pretty sure that you've made it more fun for him in his
Right.
life. And thank you for doing this. It was
Thank
a
you,
lot of fun doing it.
Same here.
And genuinely looking forward to meeting you more often.
To
Now
house
with-
parties.
Now
to
with
house
you
parties.
and that trip you plan.
Yes.
Which we
Yes, that too we have to do it.
yeah done.
Definitely, we're doing all the jungle trips.
Thank you so much. Hi, this is Divya Agarwal.
Hi, this is Apurva Patgaonkar,
You guys are watching Galata India.
along with her.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
The Chennai Mobiles வழங்கும் Vivo V40 series. Buy now.
Jensen and Nicholson Paints. Whenever you see color, think of us.